Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Reef update for Thursday 13th of October. Now we are sitting at the retest of Reef at the moment. There are chances of getting an amazing successful retest right here. Now I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame, but you gotta be careful a little bit with Reef right now. There are chances that we could see Reef being destroyed by what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so it is an amazing entry right now. So if I turn on the Bollinger Bands at the moment, we are at the lowest part of the Bollinger Bands on the 4 hour time frame. We have already retraced from this level all the way down there. We've made like a 15-14% retracement to the downside. Now, I've personally take a little bit of an entry and put a stop loss down at the lowest part here at the 5306. If it takes it out, I'm fine with it. I'm not bothered, because inverted hammer right on the support level actually sounds good to me, and especially when you're at the lowest part of the Bollinger Bands. But looking at Bitcoin, because today's CPI report, if anything goes bad, which I'm expecting, you're gonna have to blame Bitcoin if your stop loss get taken away, because Bitcoin is not personally looking good, and you might take a little bit of a loss with that Reef trade, but you never know. I think it's just a good try. It plays out amazing. It doesn't play out, it's okay. But I do see a little bit of a problem here, and we might actually be on the bad luck side of things. Okay, and all I say is maybe you could come down and end up making this bear flag and get unlucky, and if you make that bear flag, then your stop loss is going to be taken away, and we are going to drop further down. Then the retest is going to be a failure, and you're going to be looking for Reef to come down to 5116. Okay, so yeah, at the moment it's an amazing opportunity. I'm not invested too much in it. I'm just buying a little bit of it and risking like 1%. I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm okay with taking out 1% for a loss. Pretty decent for me. So yeah, right now, and the technical target, if we talk about it on the 4 hour time frame right here, is we're looking for Reef to actually come up to 6810, because that was the sideways movement. You broke out of the sideways movement, and looking at it that way, you take the top to the bottom right over there, that symmetrical triangle. This is where you're breaking out of it, and that's where you're looking to actually move up. So it's actually going to be a little bit lower to 68, but on the daily it's actually up there. So if I dive into the daily, you can already see that it's a different target on the daily. So you take the top here to the bottom right there, and that's where you're breaking out. So yeah, so the daily actually does take you near that target right over here. You can actually just put a sell at 0.0067, something like that. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Reef right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.